Jesus Christ! What the hell? What's wrong with you? No, you can't do them something there.
Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah. Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah. Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah. Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah. Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah.
Hey guys, my name is Anthony Tracey. I'm sure you're probably familiar with that one here right here, so you guys seem to like her. I don't know why. Introduce yourself, man.
My name is Shante Tracey, but you already knew that.
Anyways, so what we gonna do today?
Today we're doing Shag, Marry, Kill. Where on my phone I have various women that I've gathered in my notes, and I'll be asking him if he would shag, marry, or kill them.
You make it sound like some scientific data you deal with and whatever. But anyway, guys, before we start, I need you to like, I need you to share this video, and I need you to hit the subscribe button, if you haven't as yet. And click the bell. This is my channel. I call the shot. Anyways, and click the bell, alright? So you'll be notified as soon as I drop a new video, alright? So, let's get started.
Gaza Slim, we have Spice, and we have Shensia.
Okay, alright. Alright. Alright, so I gotta marry Shensia.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, I guess because I don't know. I mean, she's pretty, she's sexy. I mean, if we're closer in age. So I mean, I feel like that's where the marriage would go. I'm not sure. I would shag Spice. Because, the way she go on in them the song there, you can know so she, And what the next one?
Gaza Slim.
Yeah, kill she.
We have Shelly and Fraser,
Shelly and alright.
Veronica Campbell,
Veronica.
and Elaine Thompson.
Alright. Obviously, me that marry Shelly and Fraser. Shelly and just have that wife thing there about her. She just have that wife look there. You know what I mean? She just have that look there. Me that. Oh God, why you want me to do them something here? Me that shag Elaine Thompson. You understand what I say? She have that little, that little ghetto girl.
Don't know about like ghetto girl.
Me face of her. She have that little ghetto girl something about
Please
her.
stop, move on.
Me that shag Elaine. I mean that kill Veronica Campbell.
Veronica ever do you?
She don't do me nothing. She just too tough. I don't like how she's so tough. But I appreciate what you do for our country.
Then we have Denique,
Denique.
D'Angel,
And Cecile. Alright. I feel like Alright, I would definitely shag D'Angel. Because the contents I've been seeing online, I like what I see. And marry, I think I'd marry Cecile. Like, when I was younger, I always had a little crush on Cecile growing up, I always liked her. And, I don't really know Denique like that, so kill she.
I don't know Denique like that. What she would do? Anywho.
I think she's a singer.
Denique?
Yeah.
Which song Denique have?
She have sung, when the lights go down, summer love is always gonna be. You don't know that song there?
Alright, so the next set of woman,
Yeah.
we have Queenie.
Hey, come here.
Continue, Then we have Maca Diamond. And then we have Rosie.
Rosie? Who that?
You know Rosie?
Oh, Rosie.
Who put that on this?
Jesus Christ! What the hell? What's wrong with you? No, you can't do them something there.
Why? That's money. That's money.
No, actually, that's not right. That's not right. That's not right. That's not right, Asha. You can't do them something
What do you
there.
mean? Is it a female?
Asha, so what you say again? Macadai, man?
Queenie and Rosie.
Alright. Me not marry Queenie. But Queenie look like she have. Why you judge me? Why you judge me? Queenie no look like Queenie have vibes, you know, man. She have a buzz. You understand me? I say she have a buzz from what I see on social media. So, you know, I probably try, you know. I'm sorry, but me not touch. Me not touch Macadai, man, and me not touch the other one with a 10-foot pole. So the two of them are for dead. Next one.
You have to choose which one.
Me not have to choose none of them.
You have to choose.
Me not have to choose none of them. Me know my rights as a Jamaican
citizen.
citizen.
Shag Rosie, I'm going to kill Macadai.
Jesus Christ. Well, I mean, in the video, this man seemed to have mad over Rosie, so she must have the glamity.
Yeah.
So I guess
Oh my God.
I guess Shag Rosie and kill Maka. Next.
We have Kenny's from Gio and
Kenny's.
Ken. We have Nikki from Nikki and Klein.
Who that? Who that? Me don't know them people. I don't want. It's like should I know say. Me a old man now. Me don't know them people. So.
Sir.
She not really looks. Next one.
Then
Move on.
we have Alexis Sky.
Alexis Scott. Hey. All right. Me definitely. I gonna marry Alexis Sky. Yes, she's a bit of a thought, but she's sexy.
You just call my friend stepsister cousin I thought.
You what? Your friends, stepsister cousin. So I marry Alexis Sky, definitely. But what do you mean by you know she had thought? There's literally videos with her like stuff.
All right.
You don't know Alexis Sky?
I never know about her till yesterday.
Well, you know now. If you didn't know, now you know.
Kenny's.
Alright, me go Shag Kenny's. So Gio, yeah. More people can fight. I joke me man. Me not like mash up a happy home. But I can. And kill
Nikki?
Yeah.
Why you want to kill Nikki?
I shall just continue.
Then the next set of people we have Donna Go.
Then I go.
Then we'll have
No,
Portia,
Donna
Simsa Miller. And we'll have Nanny of the Maroon.
Asha, no man, come on. Let's not be disrespectful. It's Black History Month.
So the last set of
You have more!
the last set of females we have Mackerel. We have Candy Woe. And we have Barbara the Barbie. Do you remember Barbara?
What? Mackerel?
Mackerel. Candy Body. Candy Woe. Can I get a wow?
Asha, stop.
Wow.
And the
Wow.
other one, the
And Barbara the Barbie.
What?
The one where did
You're wrong for this. You're wrong for this.
Right.
You're wrong for that, Ashani. And y'all go hell.
The Barbie.
And y'all gonna go hell. May I tell you, it's perfect spot for you in a hell. Who made that pick now? Me that probably. I can't believe me I said this. I really, really can't believe me that me I said this.
You're that girl.
Asha. Asha, just put on the phone for me now. Me that marry. I can't believe I really I said this. But alright. I can't believe I really I said this. But me that marry mackerel. Me that marry mackerel. Jesus Christ. Me that marry mackerel. Shag. No, Asha, please. Asha, I just done eat dinner, please. Me that marry.
Lord.
Me that Asha, you can just stop. You can stop, please, Asha, please. You're throwing me off right now.
So
just
sorry.
stop. Just stop. Jesus Christ. Video done. Cut off. And I just said the woman never married.
No. No.
Alright, on second thought, kill all of them. I don't care about the rules of this game. Kill all of them. Kill all of them. Alright, so that's it, right? Alright, guys. Friggin' phone. Let us love foolishness. Alright, guys, so thanks for watching. I really appreciate the love and the support. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. And I want you to share it. And if you haven't as yet, subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be updated as soon as I drop another video. Alright, so, yeah, and follow my socials. Me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, for the elderly. Alright, guys, so thanks again for watching and big up on yourself. And you like what I just said? Well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment, you see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.